All right, let's get this popping. This is a quick guide I'm gonna make for my boy Simon Says. What's up, man? You popping? Anyways, this guide is to help your computer speed up a little bit. Usually, as you use your computer, you install a lot of programs. A lot of them get loaded up on startup. A lot of them take resources that you don't really need them to be there at all. But they're there, taking all your memory. Anyways, let's do this simple. First thing first, uh, get the run window popping. To get that shit, you Windows R button, or you can go to Windows and then just type run right here, and then it'll pop up. There's two ways of getting the shit popping. Next thing you do is type in Msconfig in this little window. Let me zoom in for you to see, and then press enter. And once you're here, usually this is the regular stuff. The oh shit, where did it go? Oh, there we go. All right. Usually this is where the option is. What you want to do is pop this, select the group startup, load system service, load startup item. Whoa, relax. We ain't fucking no startup item. Come on. Apply, right? And then boot. Go to services, right? Here, these services, a lot of them are just background services for programs that you don't want to start from the beginning. So what we're gonna do is hide all, and you don't want to. We're gonna disable all those programs, but you don't want to disable the important ones. So what we're gonna do is hide all Microsoft services, which is that little button right there. Right there. You see that right there? All right, bet. Once it's hidden, right? You'll see a list of your services that are running, some startup and all that. So disable all that shit, man. Apply, man. It's dead. All right. Now, next thing you know, startup, right? Boom. Open Stack Manager. Make sure it's spicy. Make sure that all of this extra shit is disabled, man. Disabled. You're not running on startup, brother. You're not running on startup for me. You ain't catching me slipping. All right, who else needs to go? But yeah, just disable all the shit that's started on startup, apart from like your antivirus if you really need it. But most of the time, once your antivirus is installed, you can't fucking disable that shit anyway. Moving on. That's it. Apply OK and restart your computer. And I guarantee you, your computer will run a lot faster. What's up, Simon? Later, bruh.